This is Channel 2 News, coverage you can count on.
This is a highly contagious disease.
And hundreds of local students and school staff are being impacted by the spread of norovirus as officials try and stop a growing outbreak in the area. Health Watch tops this edition of Channel 2 News at 5. The Health District and the Washington County School District are working together to stop norovirus that's spreading like wildfire in local schools, even in daycares, hitting the smallest of our citizens. Good evening, everyone. I'm Wendy DeMonte.
I'm Kristen Remington. Thanks for being with us tonight. No fun at all, especially for all those parents out there taking care of their sick little ones. This afternoon, we've learned a dozen local schools and daycare centers are on a list of places seeing a high number of cases. Aaron Breen has been looking into how the schools are trying to stop the spread of this disease. Aaron, you were in the schools today, right?
Yes, I was. We went to a couple of schools, Kristen. Now, I'll tell you, not every school is affected, but the Washoe Health District is asking all of the schools to be on alert and to watch for it. They're also asking all of us to do 3 things. We all need to wash our hands frequently. They say you need to disinfect everything in the home if anybody has been sick, and please stay home if you or your child is feeling sick. They just can't get enough of this at local schools and daycares right now.
There's got to be 500 Legos here.
From textbooks to crayons, everything is either bagged up or undergoing a very deep cleaning.
When you have hand touching, people touching their face, sharing food, you just increase the likelihood that the virus is going to go from one person to another.
Vigilant cleaning with heat and bleach will, so that means cleaning every toy and every surface, from desks to carpeting to walls to the area where you clean up yourself, which, by the way, is your best defense.
You can use waterless hand cleaners, but those are not as effective as soap and water. Norovirus is not even a reportable disease when it's happening sporadically. But when we start to see hundreds of cases in schools or other public settings, then that would meet anybody's definition, really, of an outbreak.
It's so highly contagious by touch and by air that everything is under scrutiny, which is paying off.
We are seeing fewer kids getting sick at school. We are still seeing kids being kept home from school with symptoms. The hope is that decreases the spread.
But keep vigilant. It could get worse.
In 2012, which was a really bad year, we had something like 1,100 cases. Okay. And right now we're under 500, I think, so it's not as bad yet, but the year's not over either, so we could see more.
We hope not, but we could. Now, I think it is also important to point out that this is not a life-threatening kind of a virus, unless you have some very serious complications with it. But they say it is absolutely miserable to have to deal with, whether you have it or whether you're taking care of your own kids. Covering Health Watch, Aaron Breen, Channel 2 News.